It's red velvet day. Hey, delightful people. I want to show you how to make red velvet cupcake. Let's go. So you get your mixing bowl, you pour in that red velvet mix, then add water, add 3 spoons of vegetable oil, then you crack 1 egg and add, then use a spoon and mix it properly, then eventually use a hand mixer. This is an electric hand mixer for it to be very smooth. Then afterward you get your cupcake pan and the cupcake pan liners, so you line them up. And the reason why you have to line it up, is for the mixture not to get stuck on the pan. Though this is a stainless pan, but for easy removal after you bake it. So you line up the pans, and then the next thing afterward is to pour your mixture into a container that will allow you to easily pour it into the cupcake baking tin. So you pour it all into the container. So here I'm using a measuring cup. Next step is to pour in the red velvet cake mixture into the cake pan. You can see it. Pour it gently into each of the circles of the cupcake pan. And then when you are done, the next one is to go bake our cupcake. So let's go bake it. Someone excited? Come on. So our oven is already preheated. So we'll put it in the oven and wait for the right time. So now it's very ready. You can see how delicious it's already looking. So bring it out safely, bring it out. And then this is our cupcake. What do you think? Our red velvet cupcakes are ready. Oh, the kids are so excited. But guess what? They want to decorate the red velvet cupcakes. So in the next video, I'll show you how they decorated it. But for now, bye. Please follow and share to your friends. Bye.